Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it right now, and after logging, just tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and we have to tap on Updates Available to check what we can update. And as you can see, in my case, I've got only one app, but of course, if you've got more, you will be able to update all of them, or just 1, 2, 5, whatever. Just mark those which you'd like to update and tap on this update icon. And as you can see, your device will right now download it, and after that it will immediately install it. So basically you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.